Hey guys. Hey guys, so guess who's finally debuting? Why is my hair doing this? Homegirl Shannon. Finally, after all this time, so long, getting delayed and everything. You know, I'm just a little disappointed. What's that called? That she isn't under CCM or MBK anymore, because she could have been the, I wouldn't say necessarily saving grace, but we all know how MBK kind of is in Korea, so, you know, that's that. But, you know, I was a bit sad that she wasn't under the company anymore, but, you know, it's her debut, so what can I do about it? But I'm glad to see that all the other members have been supporting her. So without further ado, here's Shannon's Daybreak Rain. 새벽비. I really like her logo too. I don't know if that's her logo or, you know, it's just for this comeback kind of thing, but it looks really cool. Then that S with the raindrop, or the droplet rather. Make this louder so I can hear. Realize, realize, realize. Oh, I thought it said open latte. I was like, what? Oh, her nails are nice. Oh yes, she's in a ponytail. I have this thing. Well, anyway, I have this thing where, like, whenever a girl group or even anyone gets in ponytails, especially if it's like hers, how the hair is wrapped around and it's really tight and it's high, like, I have a feeling like they're just gonna do amazingly. She's so pretty. I like how she's harmonizing with herself. Oh. Get him, Shannon. Get him, Shannon. Subscribe to DAP while I'm at it. Her vocals. Oh man, she's not wearing heels. I don't know if this company she's under is smaller than MBK, but the MV so far is... It's not very... The MV's not very satisfying, but I'm hoping, I'm waiting for more choreography. Huh? Oh. That was a question mark. Okay, I was gonna get disappointed. I'm like, you know, rain dance scenes are always one of the best. Or I wouldn't say necessarily the best, but they're very visually pleasing. Like, you could be doing moves like that, but for some reason it feels so sensual. Oh shit, did she cut her finger? Or was that a ring? Okay, so Shannon's Daybreak Rain. Like I mentioned, I am a bit sad she isn't under CCM anymore, or MBK, but I think this was a pretty good debut. The only thing that I think probably would have gone wrong with me is I just didn't see enough choreography, or I felt I didn't, because a lot of it seemed as if she was freestyling the choreography. You know, like it seemed like one of those songs where it's like someone would do like jazz contemporary. You know, they would basically just do whatever the music tells them to do, like sway with the music, all that stuff. So, you know, I really don't, I'm not too sure. I probably will like it a lot better when I do see the live stages. But other than that, it's a really great song. Her vocals are amazing. And just for the bits I can see, I already know she's a good dancer. So, just from the bits I can see, some of these female solo artists need to keep a watch out. Because, you know, you got killer vocals, and then we know she got some killer dance moves, but I'm waiting to see that. So, yeah. If you guys enjoyed, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys later.